So I'm a copper from the Pilbara, which is Western Australia, miles from here. Me and my wife sort of put our application in, and I sort of said, have a crack, because 100,000 people apply, and we're just two cops in the desert, so what are our chances? And now here I am in Dalesford, having a great time. So what we do is we basically build a house within 12 weeks. We get our own trades in, we get builders in, we get plasterers in, we work with sparkies, plumbers, and we design it interiorly, and we just get our own trades in to help us finish off the house. Sustainability, not only on this show, but to us personally as well, is everything. We've taken massive steps to be sustainable throughout our house. That includes, rehoming a whole fruit orchard that was going to get bulldozed. We've got a lot of arbors out in the backyard, so to cut these to size saves us a lot of money using these recycled timbers. It's such a good bit of kit. The precision cuts get it millimetre perfect every time, and to have Ian and Scotty Cam to be there with me as well is, you're in the best of hands. If I get invited back, I'd be absolutely jumping on this machine. Had a lot of fun with it, and I'd love to get involved more.